In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Windows license will expire soon error on Windows 11. Right-click on the Windows button and select Task Manager. In the Processes tab, find Windows Explorer. Right-click it and select End Task. Click on File in the top left corner and then select Run a new task. Type explorer.exae and click OK. Press the Windows button, type cmd, right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as an administrator. Copy and paste the command from the description below in the video into Command Prompt and press Enter. After that, reboot your device. Some users reported success by running an additional command. You can find it in the video description. After that, you need to modify group policy. Press the Windows button and type gpedit.msc and select it from the search result. Navigate to the Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, and then Windows Update. Double-click on No Auto Restart with Logged On Users for Scheduled Automatic Updates Installations. Select Enabled and then click Apply and then OK. And that's it. By following these steps, your Windows license will expire soon message could disappear or should definitely disappear. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more.